back in my reaction series on the Ramson pets. I'm here, Rajendra Ramson. Now, you know what? I love watching all the videos of animals and pets. I just enjoy all the videos because I receive all the videos from my team. I have never watched all the videos before. I just watch on the camera and I just flow with the videos. I don't, use my senses, use my intelligence to react on those videos. I just flow with the videos. Okay, so what you can do, just hit the subscribe button and keep watching all the videos. Let's deep dive into the videos. One more thing, please help animals. If you can't help them, please don't hurt them, don't harm them. Go and be loving. And animals are so careful and so creative, loyal, or so intelligent sometimes. So please let me watch the very first video in front of you. Very first video. Oh my god, there is a cat. Oh my god, there is also a puppy. और not puppy, कुछ bird है जिसको मैं नाम से नहीं जानता, but so cute, and cat is so pretty, cat, cute. I mean, oh my god, there is oh my god, what? Hey, this is possible. Oh my god, ये कौन सा bird है यार? What? Oh my god, so intelligent यार, dog are really intelligent यार. What? Hey. What? Oh my god! Oh my! खाएगी क्या यार? Oh my god! Unbelievable यार, मेरे शरीर में कप ही छूट रही है यार. My god! What? Same thing मेरे जो डॉग है लूसी, वो भी ये करती है जब उसको खाना चाहिए होता है. जस्ट सिमिलर बिल्कुल. और हो सकेगा तो मैं आपको क्लिप भी ऐड करूंगा इसमें. Oh my god! Brilliant. Okay, same. Wow, awesome. What he want यार? क्या चाहता क्या है ये? Okay, okay. Oh wow, awesome. घूमने जाना है ऐसे भाई. I think so. Oh my god, new shoes. To dog, not to owner. Oh my god. Okay, they are ready to. What? Oh my god! इतनी high. ये भाग कर रहा है. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's it. Oh my god. इसको तो मैं अपने सेट पर बुलाऊंगा यार, शूट करने के लिए. ट्राइपॉड का फुल काम कर रहा है. Brilliant यार. Oh my god. There is an. Okay. What do you want?
想不想吃？想吃就赚
I don't personally understand this language what it is. Okay, but I love it. Oh my
给你
god.
打一枪，你就倒下。
What? No, I don't want. Like, what? You want? I offer him here. You want? Oh my god. No, I don't want. Oh, he won't enter. What? Oh my god. So cute cat, yeah. Oh my. Wow, beautiful, yeah. This is unknown animal to me, yaar. I don't heard name before, and I have also never seen this animal, yaar. Please let me know in the comment box. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, ना खाएंगे ना खाने देंगे. What? Oh my god. That's a great friendship, yaar. Oh my god, so beautiful friendship, yaar. Oh what? Oh awesome. Oh my god. ये सिमिलरली मेरे साथ में होता है कि जब जितेंद्र कैमरे के सामने आता है, सेम लाफ्टर यार. Oh my god. What? Oh. I really didn't understand यार कि ये सच में कोई या I mean एनिमल है और या फिर वो कोई ह्यूमन बैठता है सिर्फ इसका गेटअप लेकर के. I really didn't understand how it is possible कि एक एनिमल इतना इंटेलिजेंट एक्शन ले सकता है. ब्रिलियंट यार. I don't think कि like यार unbelievable. I don't have words to explain his intelligence. Oh wow, awesome, brilliant yaar. Enjoying, loving it. Oh my god. Why रिएक्शन यार, oh my god, brilliant, oh, big eyes, oh my god, oh, some like, you know, like a kid यार, awesome यार, brilliant, what, oh my god, so talented, oh my, wow, what intelligent, my god, unbelievable यार, how is it possible, oh my god, what, oh my god, what, oh my god, oh, unbelievable, what, is this true? No, it is not true. Oh my god, how talented yaar, awesome yaar, brilliant, unbelievable, you know, outstanding, what, awesome, oh my god yaar, you're intelligent, so brilliant yaar, oh wow, awesome yaar, so pretty, awesome yaar, cute, such a beautiful video. What? Oh my god! हमारे साथ में भी ये होता है यार, हम जब एनिमल को ऑफर करते हैं फूड लाइक also baboons और they are awesome यार, brilliant reaction, oh my god, oh intelligent, okay, so I laugh so much, a lot, so just thank you so much. It was 8th episode, and please help animals. If you can't help them, please don't hurt them and don't harm them. So keep watching all the videos. I'll meet you with another video. Till take care and keep watching all the videos. मेरे साथ में जितेंद्र कुशवाहा behind the camera, जो कि नहीं आना चाहते हैं बिकॉज कहते हैं हमारी दाढ़ी बड़ी है, सिर्फ हम आएंगे कॉमेडी पर। धन्यवाद।